Fine or finished concrete. Well, here we go, pouring a nice little patio. We'll give you updated as we go. And that's what we got down so far. So we're holding pretty well. With 14 inches thick over there. We got to get underneath the step, and concrete just ran out. So we'll get our next truck in and we'll get it moving. Well, I couldn't get to my phone fast enough, but if these ruts can tell you anything, they're about 3 feet deep. We got it poured, thankfully. It is down, but that was quite the pickle, I tell you. He almost rolled it right here. He was really close. He had 11 yards. But anyway, now we're doing some cleanup. We got just about all of it in the sun. Now it's going to start taking off. So we have shit everywhere. And this job site is a mess right now. The pavers are here too. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one.